Overwatch 2 is a blast, but sometimes the game decides to have its own fun. Players are reporting stadium mode turning into a hilarious, choppy stop-motion film. Ever seen a hero T-pose mid-ultimate? Players are finding characters frozen in hilariously awkward stances, often floating or stretched across the map like digital spaghetti. Gravity is merely a suggestion in Overwatch 2. From flying off the map for no reason to characters phasing through solid walls, these physics fails are pure gold. Imagine your ultimate ability failing spectacularly. Players have seen DVA's self-destruct vanish into thin air, or Winston's primal rage turn him into a harmless, flailing noodle. Oops. From choppy frames to heroic hijinks, Overwatch 2 glitches keep us thoroughly entertained. What's the funniest bug you've encountered? Share your chaotic moments below.